Michelle at The Recipe Bandit, and today we're going to be making a very quick and easy pantry marinara sauce. Marinara is like the little sister to spaghetti sauce. It's lighter, it's fresher, it's not as complex. Spaghetti sauce is typically simmered. It has vegetables, meat, bolder, more complex flavors. So marinara sauce is light, and it's great if you're just doing like a side pasta or if you need a dipping sauce, and it's really very simple to make. All of the ingredients are things that you already have in your pantry. We have canned tomatoes. We like crushed tomatoes, but you can buy whole tomatoes and crush them with your hands. Tomato paste, onion, garlic, olive oil, salt and pepper, little brown sugar, and then you could use fresh seasonings, but because we are using what we have today, we have some dried parsley, oregano, and basil. We're going to create a very quick and easy marinara sauce. We're going to use it for dinner tonight. You're going to begin by heating olive oil on medium-high in a deep-sided skillet. Now, once this begins to shimmer like it is now, you will add your onion and your garlic to the pan. You'll cook it for about 2 minutes until the onion begins to soften. Stir occasionally. Now, once your onion has started to soften, you'll be able to tell it'll get a little more translucent, not look so white, and the kitchen will smell good. Next up, you're going to add your crushed tomatoes. And then you'll also add your tomato paste. And stir until it's well incorporated. Now, once it starts bubbling, you're going to want to add your brown sugar, salt, pepper, and your herbs. Brown sugar, salt and pepper, your parsley, basil, and oregano. You're going to give this all a stir. Oh, that smells good. Okay. Now we're going to turn this to low. And then one thing that we like to do is to let this simmer for a while. 30 minutes is a good amount of time. Sometimes it's nice to add a little extra fluid to it. So you can choose white wine, any kind of white wine, or chicken broth. We normally add a 1/4 cup of it. So we are going to go ahead and do that. We're just guesstimating with the white wine, and we're going to stir it. You can see that it's a little lighter now. We are just going to leave it. We'll leave it on low. Let those flavors really meld together. I'm going to turn it just a bit. We want it to be, lightly simmering. We're going to leave it uncovered. We're going to stir it once in a while while these flavors develop. But I mean, it is delicious looking already. It's going to be such a nice addition to this pasta that we're making for supper tonight. But like I said earlier, it does also make a really nice dipping sauce. It takes no effort at all to make, something that anyone can make. And we'll come back after it's simmered for a bit and we'll see how it looks. All right, so it's been about 20 minutes, but we are in really good shape. This is bubbling nicely. The flavors, you can tell they're melded. It smells wonderful. It's not too thick. It's not too thin. It's actually just perfect. So we're going to remove this from the heat and we are going to go ahead and use it. So good, you guys. So in just about 30 minutes, we have created our own made from scratch marinara sauce with stuff that we already had in the house. It's delicious. It smells so good, you guys, like not even kidding. Look at it. So good and so easy, and anybody can do it, and it's so healthy, and you know what's in here. Like there's not anything, there's no preservatives in here because you made it. You made it and you're going to eat it. You're going to serve it to your family, and it's wonderful. So for this recipe, you'll want to go to our website at therecipebandit.com or get it from the description, whatever you want to do. This is going to be a wonderful dinner for my family. I hope you'll make it for your family. So yeah, please feel free to let me know in the comments if you do. I would love to know what you guys think of this recipe and if you used it and if you tried it. If you like what we're doing here, please be sure to like and subscribe. We're trying to put out recipes every week right now, and this marinara sauce is right here. So good. Thanks for joining us, guys. See you soon.